Ghana, ayado. Shia, omaya etiwi. Omaya yetiwi. MPP NDC. Our politicians. Chale, obiaba wo ye business. Obiaba wo ye business. Because unknown businessmen now wa support no abana we ne abano. Sani pane kramo. Sani prane crazy chiri. Na oruba obeden we gu sani pane juma. Pato, obeden we gu.
Anya possible.
Enya possible. We are jokers in this.
Entina me go to nkrofo so mu gina ho no mu ya argument we ye NDC me MPP. E bi je tumi kra de sika wo bi ni akwu.
Akweti aye babekwi. Akweti aye babekwi. Akweti aye babekwi. Yenti hada police for be catch say wo ma kire nkrofo bi a etuo ni sika ni nyama e hye obo.
Akwesi say. Ya yo mu den.
What say them tie me? Ghana there we are joking.
E go di party bi achi hu o.
Me de bi aye.
Now be we seven grow.
Ejiro o de mate. Ejiro what we say Ghana has go. Say even Ghana hakra no internationally ne kra dia esa koso e wo kasa ye wia wo abrochire. E be ton e wo Ghana hakra no e say gu Ghana hu fi. I said, good Ghana thing. Despite the fact, say, even with the conversation I had earlier, say, Ghana, you see no. So, Ebibimuha is the best performing currency. No doubt about that. We are aware of those statistics. But let's tell our politicians. Mama yankasa, ye near the ebedi o, ye near the ebedi. Say, Ghana, ha yentimi nyankuko.
Domestication.
Sa project, we are asking Akwakosi saying, what is happening? What is happening? But one thing I am enthused and happy about, and I say, Sabre Crado, say, what do we need to the various senior high schools are? Yamamu a year a fool, said the Abaya, Woman Casano, Womobetimiana, a year, Nyanini be idea, a feedy school, Codano. And I'm happy about it. But is it going to be a 9-day wonder? I'm asking, is it going to be a 9-day wonder? Every day we must have briefing on some of these things. I was saying a briefing on some of these things. Not saying, yeah, suspect say, oh my boy, mine chrono, now they be an agent TV, so near can answer so, yeah, who says uncle for the crown, yeah, the only Akojinasa, Nibia, Yedi or Massam. Operation Recover or Loot, Akwakosi saying. Say Ghana, ye di en kasankase hu abro. O man etiwi. Ye di en kasankase ye hu abro. Crocro the Jong, a baby former President Jerry John Rawlings. May he so rest in peace. Okay, Assembly, or say NDC MPP. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Akwakosi saying. Where yes ya children one never go prison. One never and so no kwabranibia what your friend is enquire so or techiman and not our pata manunko we are body betim baako ye be jelly the 15 years and manunko fa akoko ana ponche
ye be jelly 15 years.
What would the Auditor General's report? I was going through yesterday the Auditor General's report. That would say even the Public Accounts Committee in Parliament almost sitting revelations now ebano ye bisase sabri Akwakosi saying as for mine Ghana.
I'll grow away in
the fight against Galamsey. Look at what is happening. The fight against Galamsey. Look at what is happening. This thing started in 1996. My checks pay my checks. 1996.
Galamsey
fighting I want to chassis. So what is happening in this country? But I am so happy that your current lands minister, Honorable Amaku Febua, wetu anamon bia sa anamon no, se empenyimfo no endi ni wiambo dia, we can have a solution to it. Because 9 months na homa form no, because unum say aban ba power. We are no sorry. Because Galamsey said, "Me security ko ya ko ebi mo ko cheche oboba normally Galamsey is no ediano ne ye jam machines ne dia ma omo." But now there is 9 months. So 9 months no, it's a collaborative security network. One would ever fight Galamsey. And I am reliably informed, say, 1 year ever caught our site to go and fight the menace. The drones in Yama ever check your many body cams. Such that, so Obikono Koja Demudia, send pan ye chirena. Oh, yeah. Only Ghana Hana Nancy out say, soldier for 4 beer. Yes, Gogalam say site now. Even with the legal miners, no, not Womaka Koche. Womo excavators no money, no more easy. Till Oka, no more baby. To Niamaka, not just say, no, Omaka. And then some of those people came out through these illegal miners. Ebe can say, Honorable Amakufibua, I 2 million US. Release excavators, nation fines, the illegal miners. But there were petitions that were sent by the legal miners to the Ministry of Lands. They petitioned the president. And when an inquiry was done into it, they saw that they seized it from the legal miners. So why are we doing this to ourselves as a country? Ghana, I don't hear you say. Ghana, until the ben pa no mind way, ebe ye. The ben pa no mind way, ebe ye. Charlie, mumayen sisa ya o Ghana for. Ghana for mumayen sisa ya o Ghana for. Your attitude, your mentality na wo ye timu no ebusia for there I am on hit. Mumayen sisa ya adwen. Because the answer ya adwen Ghana enko yie. Na no madafu bi fi abrochiri ba ha be dedam. O say na akwai wodi di wie na krata no weja to ho. O say wa abrochiri mem akodam po. Say water biscuit no dia. Nradu krane sa no du be dia dasmin wa weja tum. Enso Ghana ha kona ko ye market na wo domi ha sisi a. Na ko hwe de esi wo. Market just I don't know, let me use this word. We are irresponsible in this country, including myself. How do we fix this country? Now resetting agenda, and based on reset in Ghana for we are asking for these 8 months, what have they resetted? They don't mind resetting. They should come out and tell us. What have they resetted? They should come out and tell us. Because we don't know. They were resetting the and one said they be about resetting. 24-hour economy now can was. But it's not no there so cut them apart. And I do bed 2 a.m. crowd to me you near. But is the 24-hour economy only limited to the ports of Ghana? They brought 8 thematic areas. Those areas, you know, what is happening over there? Yeah. They are not speaking to it. As of mine, they are not speaking to it. Oh, I'm a Ghana. Yes, sorry. The national pledge. National anthem. But the words in the national anthem and then the words in the national pledge. Yenara yasasini. But on my way, I aboard in the mind. And how did you know how to actually claim? Charlie. Charlie. Who's it? Oh, who's it Ghana Bay? That Ghana Bay. I'm just being optimistic. No, there is complete lawlessness in this country. Because you were any it is say, Aya Praja for new Kadafui. One with the Emraba, Amayaba be regulating or more operations. Yeah, besides Emrana, Akaku is saying. And now go through this dummy market everywhere. See how they ride on the road. Power mirror. And no that side mirror. Obio. Emson a side mirror and a Ukada nibi and a Prajadi nibi di Kochi. Na Nipani complaining within a second. Na Prajafono be 1,000 about and there was a policeman there. When to me you don't think, sir? Sometimes, you know, those associations, those Praja boys, you know, don't they do contributions and pay off? I am sad. Ebushabu fan chemi sende. It's the Ghana and baby and for I have a BP. They be a Ghana ni. And now me pasa Ghana ye. Intimidate Makuma baby.
yaka saa omo fi yen NDC ni MPP yaka saa
kojú aban aba betena
na
why fresh
admo community